I get my inspiration from conversations I have with people in the corporate world. One of the things that fascinates me is how come you can put a group of people together with the right competencies and skills, a good set of values and the best intentions, and the best result that they get is that they make each other's lives miserable. How does that work? Why? There's so much waste. It's leadership. That's what makes the difference. So being in a leadership role means you're in a position of hierarchy. There are certain decisions that you have to make, that you're entitled to make. But that doesn't mean that you're actually leading. Most people are not clear on that distinction. Leadership has to be consistent with who you are and what you stand for. It cannot be an act. People see through it these days. One of the reasons I think we're looking for, let's say, new leadership is because we need something to happen. The old status quo is no longer working. In the old way of thinking is business is about creating shareholder value. That's no longer workable. So we have to make a shift from shareholder to stakeholder thinking. What is our larger responsibility? So in the Executive MBA program, we create space for that reflection and that discovery to figure out what is truly important for me, how can I make it happen, and what's going to be the next step. I think I'm an educator at heart. I get a little dopamine hit in my brain when I see a light bulb coming on. I get inspiration from the people that I work with. When I see an insight land in someone, you can almost see it physically landing in their body. Something shifts. Something goes, hey. And if they then take that and translate that into action, where they finally take something on that they've been tolerating in their lives for a long time, that inspires me because it raises the bar for me to do the same. It's a reminder to me that I'm in the exact same process. Life is not about arriving in your grave in a perfectly preserved body. It's about arriving in a cloud of smoke, totally worn out and torn to shreds, going, whoa, what a ride. And there's something about that hunger, that zest for life, that the people in our TS programs have that really inspires me.